Almost done. Hello. So I bought another BMW. You want to guess what it is? I'll give you 5 seconds. You see it? It's an X5. And this one is special. Extremely rare, at least here in the United States. And when I get home, I will show you why. I've owned one of these before, and I regretted selling it, and I finally found another. This one needs a good bit of work, but the price was right. So I'm gonna bring another build to the channel. It's not gonna be as crazy as my Gambler 500 X5 build I did a few years ago, but it'll have some cues from that, so it'll be another fun build. So yeah, I think the last clip, if I put it before this video, will be the e30 subframe. So I got all the bushings knocked out and the new ones put in, so I just need to put the subframe back in. So that's kind of where we are with the e30 build. So yeah, I just wanted to make that little update here. My phone doesn't have that much battery left, so I'm going to keep this one short. Not sure how I'm gonna mash these clips together, but like I said, I kind of just pull the camera out when I don't want to forget something, and I want to make sure I document stuff for the channel. So yeah, new e53 build coming. And I'll see you in the next clip. There's definitely going to be a clip after this and whatever video I put up, so I'll see you when that is. Later. Okay, I only have about 5% of my battery left, so I'm going to make this video quick. I told you I would show you why this X5 is so special. It is a 5-speed manual with the 6-cylinder 3.0. So this is a 5-speed, factory 5-speed manual e53 X5. I've owned one before and I should have never gotten rid of it, but this is what it is. It's got a big ding there, obviously. So I picked this up for 2,500 bucks. It does run, but it needs some work. I didn't really like the color at first, but it is growing on me now that I've seen it in person. It's like the ocean spray green or whatever you'd call it with the tan. I might swap the interior, I might not, I don't know. So the guy actually ended up, I wouldn't have gone this route, but he broke the window to get a new key because apparently he ran over his old key and locksmiths couldn't get in, so he thought he had to break the window. And then he had the new key, and then he said the central locking didn't work and it was broken. But what really happened is he just didn't program the key. So he got it mated to the car, but there's a procedure you have to do with the ignition switch and various pressings of these buttons to get the central locking to work. So I fixed that. So the central locking does work. It needs, I'm not gonna drag the video out long because my phone's probably gonna die at any moment. But it needs an oil filter housing because the idler pulley actually broke off. So that's part of the oil filter housing, that whole little piece down there. So I need to get one of those. Obviously it needs a driver's side window. Found one of those. Shouldn't be too hard to put in, and they're fairly cheap. I'm gonna try and get some tools behind there and push that out as much as I can. We're gonna do wheels and tires. That's all I know so far. I'm gonna do a bunch of maintenance. It has the factory tow package as well, which is pretty sick. So yeah, that's gonna be a new build alongside the e30. Oh, here's the subframe. I'll show you really quick. Got all the bushings done. So that just needs to be popped back in. But yeah, I just got home. I did like 7 hours of driving today. So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys are looking forward to these builds going up on the channel. Yeah, I'm super stoked. This is a sick daily. So yeah, I am, I've said it a million times, but I am stoked. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm not sure when it will be or what it will be of, as per usual, but yeah, I'll see you in the next one.